Did you know that the average person spends over 7 hours a day interacting with smart devices? That's more time than we spend sleeping. In this video, we're going to explore how these gadgets are not just tools, but extensions of ourselves. Stay tuned to discover the surprising truth about smart devices. Smart devices have infiltrated nearly every aspect of our lives, from smartphones to smart fridges. These technological marvels promise convenience and efficiency. But at what cost? As we dive deeper, we'll examine both the benefits and the downsides of this digital evolution. Imagine waking up to a world where your coffee brews itself, your thermostat adjusts to your preferences, and your home security system keeps you safe. It sounds amazing, right? But is this dependency on technology leading us to be less capable in our everyday tasks? Pause for a moment. Have you ever wondered how much you trust your smart devices? Let's take a look at the staggering statistics regarding user trust and security breaches that might leave you questioning everything. Research shows that over 60% of users admit to feeling anxious when they can't reach their devices. This fear of being disconnected could be indicating a deeper issue. Our reliance on technology may be redefining our interactions with the world around us. Now, let's switch gears. What if I told you that smart devices can actually enhance our cognitive capabilities? We'll explore how these technologies aid in learning, problem solving, and even creativity. Could they be the assistants we never knew we needed? Hey, if you're finding this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Join our community and stay updated on the latest in technology trends. Now, back to the discussion. What does the data say about smart devices? Consider this: a recent study found that individuals who use smart assistants are 30% more productive in their daily tasks. These gadgets aren't just making life easier, they're helping us achieve more in less time. But what happens when we rely too heavily on them? Let's take a step back. Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the barrage of notifications from your devices? You're not alone. Millions are experiencing notification fatigue, a phenomenon that could be impacting our overall mental well-being. It's time to re-evaluate how we use our devices. To maintain a healthy relationship with our smart devices, we must set boundaries. Consider implementing digital detox days or scheduling device-free times. Finding balance is key to ensuring technology works for us, not the other way around. Looking forward, the future of smart technology is bright but uncertain. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more integration into our lives. However, it's crucial to navigate this landscape wisely. Adapting to change while maintaining our humanity is paramount. As we wrap up, let's recap: smart devices can enhance our lives but also pose potential risks and challenges. It's up to us to maintain control and use these tools to our advantage. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss the upcoming trends in AI and how they might revolutionize our world.